Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by installing Drive and signing in with your Google account. This lets you access files across devices. Once signed in, make sure sync is enabled so changes update automatically. Grant storage and camera permissions so you can upload photos and save files offline. Tap the menu to select folders to sync and choose a backup frequency. This step sets the foundation for fast uploads and reliable access, so complete it before moving to organizing and sharing files. Once your app is ready, start organizing. Create folders, apply colors, and move items into logical groups so you avoid clutter. To upload, tap the plus button and pick Upload or Scan for documents. Choose multiple photos and video files if needed. Use the app search bar with file type filters and keywords to locate content quickly, and star frequently used items for one-tap access. Make sure to check upload progress and wait for sync to finish before deleting local copies. To finish, share files by selecting an item, tapping Share, and assigning viewer, commenter, or editor access. Add a message and send. For travel or spotty data, mark important files available offline from the File menu so you can open them without internet. Finally, if syncing or uploads fail, reconnect your account, confirm permissions, clear the app cache, and update Drive. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, restart the device and retry the upload or share operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.